Hey guys, in this video, let's fix this problem. Can't reach the default gateway. So if you're getting this problem, so first of all, let's make sure you have DHCP enabled. So go to run, press Windows and R, and here type ncpa.cpl. Click OK. And you will see your network adapter. So double click the network adapter. Click on properties, select IPv4 here, properties, and make sure you have this opt-in IP address automatically selected for both IP address and DNS, and click on OK. Click on close. Close one more time. Usually, if that's because of the DHCP or static IP, your problem should be solved. So as you can see here, you can see, I'm connected now. Just in case, if you are still getting problem, type cmd here, run cmd as admin, click yes. Here type ipconfig space /release, enter, and again ipconfig space /renew, enter, and do netsh winsock space reset, enter, and netsh int ip reset. Okay, after that, restart your computer and your connection should be fine.